In May 2015, the concrete and construction industry will be changed forever. Make a date with innovation. Make a date for African construction and totally concrete expos.
Our current business manufactures chemicals for the cement blending industry, and the cement blending industry is running into more and more problems with the cement industry as the cement industry started blending more and more of their cement. So it was an issue of necessity where we saw ourselves going out of business if we didn't present to the market or present to our customers a sustainable competitive advantage by selling them a pure cement. The interesting thing about the cement we're making is it's a pure cement. It's not a blended cement. It doesn't have any limestone in it, or it doesn't have any fly ash or slag in it. So you buy what's known as a CEM 152,5 cement from us, which is very high performing and is a reversal back to the old cements of the 1990s or 2000s, where you were forced to sell pure cement with no additive in it. The rationale for not using limestone, fly ash or slag in cements, especially when you're supplying bulk cement to technical users. A technical user is a concrete producer, a concrete products producer, or a blender, is that they have the capacity and the capability to blend in extenders at their sources, and it sometimes is much more beneficial and much more economical for them to do that. So the purer the cement we supply, the better, the more competitive advantage you deliver to your counterparty, and your counterparty is able to optimize his mixes without compensating for your extension of the cement. Primary extenders, cement extenders, are pozzolans, and those pozzolans are slag and fly ash. These products are of a specific chemical composition and with a specific structure. These products give tremendous life to concrete. So concrete has greater resistance to chemical attack, has greater resistance to attack from chlorides, and also it reduces what's known as the heat of hydration, so concrete doesn't crack so much. So these are very useful products because they react, and they tend to react with the cement or with the alkalinity that's imparted by the cement to the extender. Limestone is completely different. It's completely inert. It does not react. It adds no value to the concrete or to the cement, and the only place it adds value is to the cement producer's pocket. The cement producer makes more money out of selling you limestone rather than selling you slag or selling you fly ash. It'll affect buildings and it'll affect the construction if the producer of the concrete does not know how much limestone is in the cement. Generally, the producer of the concrete, especially technical concrete, is checking his concrete all the time. So he will adjust the cement content to ensure that his concrete reaches the same strength. So you, the user, will probably not be compromised by the fact that there's limestone in the cement, because your concrete producer will be checking all the time and to ensure he's achieving the strengths. So what the concrete producer will do, he'll add more cement to the concrete. So you, the user of the concrete, will always get a good concrete. The problem is that the producer of the concrete will make less money. So he will be less and less effective from a competitive perspective in the market. So even though you're doing well and you get good concrete, he'll eventually be compromised and possibly go out of business as a result. And this is where you see the cement industry buying up all the concrete producers, and the cement industry becomes almost the only game in town from a concrete perspective. Is you know the names of the various cement producers, and you can see the concrete producers, and then you have a couple of the independent producers who are doing well, but they struggle because they're constantly up against these enormous concrete operations that are owned by the cement producers. And it's those customers that we're really focusing on, creating an environment where these customers can flourish. New concrete companies, blending companies, concrete products companies can start and can eventually do well.